A quick demonstration about Catailyst interactive module, Tableau integrated platform. Unlike the traditional ones, these are Tableau integrated, so you can dig deeper on a particular topic. For example, when you're looking at different clinical and regulatory events of a particular drug or a particular disease, you can utilize this platform very quickly to figure out what's going on. For example, if I just use the keyword dermatitis right here, all the different types of dermatitis related time points will populate. You can see right here. As I scroll down, these are the different clinical and regulatory events that happened over the years, and all data referenced with an appropriate data sources right here. So it's very powerful tool. It could have changed the date here instead. I'm just waiting for it to reset. So you can very easily change the date range as well. You can put a particular asset name or a company name and look at their different types of clinical and regulatory time points. We create about 130 plus different types of clinical and regulatory time points. Going back in this page, we also isolate future events. For example, if you're studying a particular company and you want to learn what are the different catalysts they have coming up in the future, all you have to do, put in the company name and select those companies. And once you do that, all the future time points will populate. Looks like they're expected to give data readout, IND application, and it's a very easy to go back and forth between one particular result to the other one. Going back again, there are other types of data as well as financing data, transaction information, deal analytics, US trials, Japan trials, and announcements. And we're building some additional analytics as well. On the other hand, alerts are more recent events. Basically, we have data here within 24 hours. If we go here in the financing event, it was uploaded literally a day or two ago. You can see we have data till 7th of this month. It was last uploaded last week. And for example, if you went here within the financing event and you said public offering in the search, in the event search, then you can see all the companies that have either closed or priced different types of, whether it's initial public offering or public offering, and the summary of those transactions are available right here. You may be interested in asking a question, who are the companies have recently done Series B? And it's very easy to answer. You can look at it right from this dashboard by hovering over any of these companies, and these are all listed date by date as the Series B investments are happening. These are snippets of the events. I wanted to mention here also all the clinical trials registrations as it happening. Those are getting recorded here as well. Most importantly, I should emphasize here, as you see here, that we have data till yesterday for different types of trial registrations. This data not only are visualized there, we also get this data as alert every day, which is part of the alert system. I just want to go back and quickly show how those alert look. So this is part of the emails that comes to every morning, and you can select any of these alerts. For example, these are the different clinical events that's been announced in the last 48 hours. And those are the same clinical events are restored, or clinical trials registrations, those are restored within our alert platform. So these are complementary to each other. One comes in forms of email, and the other you can access right here. One last thing, just want to show you quickly how does the different type of trials look like. So we have all the US clinical trials that's been registered um, here. So we have made sure that you have a very user-friendly tool and understand number of enrollments, duration of those studies, both numerically and visually. This is the slowest part of our database because it has more than 450,000 data. But once it's finished loading, it's very fast using the platform. In the meantime, I'm just going to go back and emphasize on another example. So here within the interactive module, I want to mention about one more data point, that is deal analytics. Within the deal analytics, we have now it's back. So I'll stay here. You can see here 458,000 trials information are sitting here, and you can search it by conditions, search it by study status, you can search it by interventions. For example, I'm going to throw a word here, uh, pancreatic cancer, and you'll see all the data will be set, whether looking at the median enrollment versus total number of trials versus, um, let's see how the trial environment goes for the phase 1 for pancreatic cancer. You can find those answers very quickly. Looks like median enrollment for pancreatic cancer is 24. How about for phase 2? 44. How about phase 3? So you can do this type of search for any type of disease very quickly. So it becomes very powerful tool, about 300 for the planning and everything else. You can also look at the trial durations. You can choose a set of these companies to look at more closely here as well. That is the interactive module. I wanted to show you the deal analytics as well. In the deal analytics, it has all the transaction upfront milestone broken down for the total transaction values. So this is another very useful tool if somebody is performing deals. Thank you.